I'm filming this guy.
That's unusual to just stand there. He must be used to getting fed too.
Probably.
What's this blue stuff over here?
Chills ants.
Can't get like stupid.
See how big he is?
Just don't.
This thing is not afraid of anything.
They'll whip you with that tail.
Yes, I know.
And they can swim like the. Look at him. His hands are. His arms are back and he's just going.
Oh my God! Did you see how fast he just swam away?
Yeah.
I wonder where he's gonna
Get his
resurface.
turtle. I didn't even get a picture of him.
I got a picture.
That's all that matters. You got one.
I got a
Oh,
video.
he's right there.
Oh, he's coming up over there.
There's a slick wreck there.
You know, I thought he was an alligator at first.
I still wonder if there ain't one in here.
Oh, there's definitely some alligators in here. I'm sure of it. They might just not like coming up. Jesus! The snapping turtle just went back into the water. I saw him. Where is he at? He's swimming over to the other side of the pond.